Oh, there's Pope Leo. There's Nick. I feel like I spot this guy everywhere driving. Hey. You got anything to say?
Hey, you see the Hickory Creek Brewery? They got bathrooms in there. Two bathrooms.
So that's not sweet. This old Corvette is. All right, we got a coffee to go. We got a coffee mug, which I'll tell you about. Good morning and happy Sunday. It is September 14th, which is wild. We are headed to Gost for our next new Lenox Cars and Coffee. I'm a little bit behind, and on top of that, the train tracks on Lairway are being worked on, so we have to reroute. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna get there when we get there, and we're gonna have a great day. So let's get to it. All right. You might have to blur this guy out. You guys are turning into the new crew. The rest of these losers are out.
Yeah, apparently.
Tyler's apple picking. Get that on kids up, guys. Get that, yeah. Tyler's apple picking. Yeah, Matt's, I don't know what he's doing. Oh, there's Pope Leo. There's Nick. I feel like I spot this guy everywhere driving. So let's get him in the POV. We got some Halloween already up. I'm not gonna lie. I think September should be the start of a pre-Christmas season, but that's just me. I don't care if you judge me. Oh, we got one bike already. Nice bike.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Hello, hello. There's the star of the show.
All right. There she goes.
Hi, puppy.
Cars and coffees and puppies.
I know, it's cars and coffees and puppies and bikes and army vehicles.
I did at least. I made it this year to my works car show. Last year I couldn't because of the clutch.
Yeah.
Ticket of them, that'd be cars and coffee, puppies, and unicorns and rainbows.
No, my wife is not as liking to meet strangers, so it'd be cars and coffee and just her.
Mind you,
So. Hey. You got anything to say?
Hey, you see the Hickory Creek Brewery? They got bathrooms in there. Two bathrooms.
All right, we need.
Oh, what the hell?
It's Pope Leo. What's going? Look at this.
Yeah, I get that. That's kind of sketchy. Yeah, but
That's crazy.
You just gotta love some wood, you know.
Crazy.
yeah.
That's that morning
That's
wood.
how
I'm so upset that you haven't. I'm so not upset that you haven't sold that car yet.
No, I'm trying to move over, but some people are right in the middle.
Hey, that's DS's car.
I know, I saw.
Oh, okay, I remember that now.
The green one?
It's not, he literally just fist bumped us.
No, I'm telling Eric.
Oh,
I was associating Eric with the car.
Just getting some B-roll on me.
Filipino?
That's my second job. Oh, I saw that you got this. Congrats, man.
Thanks, man.
I'll see.
Finally got a reliable daily driver.
Hey, that's okay. I'll see you, boys. Stay good.
Go low, though. They got the star line.
Hey, take it easy. I got old knees. What do you want from me?
Starlight in there, you get the stars.
Oh, Jesus.
Now you see what I mean by he wins everything? He just wins at life. He just came out like, winner.
Yes, I did.
I don't know if this is picking it up though.
Yeah, it's probably it's not a setup like this. Or
Yeah. I don't have an R5, 6, 7.
I don't think I've ever got that inside of his car. I probably fly my drone through it. Why my light? Oh shit! Why my lights just turned on?
Tim and Jack are probably
Eric, you go ride with us at Green Light today?
I wish, buddy. My boss has me doing tile in our bathroom when I get home.
I just hard life.
What are you doing later today? Red light. Dynos, racing, drifting, having
Only Autobahn had like actual room spectators.
Yeah, I wish I could go, but I don't want to get fired from my boss.
Ready to go, right?
All right, Tyler, we're wrapping up here. We gotta take the garbage back. Also, I just got stung by a bee, so that's not sweet. This old Corvette is. Another good event. I don't know how much POV footage we got. I wanted just to catch up with people and not necessarily film everything, but I do enjoy these POVs. You guys, we did pretty good on garbage. Thanks for being respectful and keeping the event clean. We did have more bikes. I did not make it this way earlier, so we missed some of them. My leg hurts from getting stung by a bee, but that's okay. Sweet dirt bike section. There's Daniel. And here's Halloween Ghost. So let's go say bye and head home. Hey guys. All right, we got a coffee to go. We got a coffee mug, which I'll tell you about. We got Cal's Angels all month. Let's see if there's a sign. I need to grab, I think, this. Hold on, let me stop. All right, everybody, that is another event in the books. That is the first September event done. We got a coffee to go. Remember to support Cal's Angels. Next event, there will also be a fundraiser going on, so make sure to buy some coffee or donate next event. But as always, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming. It was another great event and time with talking with people. I love and appreciate you all. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe so I can keep doing these YouTube videos. But at the end of the day, I just appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one.